Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear? And happy Eid. Welcome, all of you. I wish all of you be enjoyed and safe in home. Today we will start new chapter. Today, Sunday, and our chapter for the day subtraction. Here, this is in page 46, subtraction. We will take looking back, page 46, and we will solve ABC. Okay, and this is your homework. Okay, girls. So now let's start here in this subtraction. In this lesson, what we will learn, we take looking back. Today we will take it using subtraction, number families, regrouping tens to ones and hundreds to tens, subtracting three digits, subtraction with 0 and ones, checking subtraction with addition, subtracting bigger numbers, also here problem solving here if we don't have enough information, so we will solve and write it is we cannot solve it if we haven't enough information. So what we write only it's not enough information, but if we have enough information means we will solve it. Here problem solving strategy, and draw bar diagram, addition model and subtraction model. Okay, here 5 minus 3 it is 2. Here 3 minus 4, because here we did not take this in this class, but because we cannot take 4 from 3. Yes, when you grow up inshallah you know how to solve this. Now here looking back, here we use subtraction when we will use subtraction. First we use when we need to find out how many are left. So this is the first point. We use subtraction when we need to find out how many are left. So when you hear left means we will subtract. So here this is example. You have 6 chocolate and you eat only 2. So how many chocolate left? Now if you have 6 chocolate and you eat 2 chocolate, so how many chocolate left? So what we will do, we will subtract 6 minus 2, it will be 4 chocolate. And here we need, if we use also subtraction when we need to compare groups. If I want compare groups, this is a groups of beds and this is a group of balls. So here how many beds? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 beds. And how many balls here? 1 2 3. So if I want compare groups, group of beds and group of balls, so what I will do, I will subtract. If you subtract 3 minus take 3 from 6, so 3 more beds than balls. So how many beds more? 3. Okay, next here we use subtraction also when we need to find out what does not belong to a group. So this is a group of flowers and this flowers, this is a rose group. So if I want find out what does not belong to the group, so here if I have 7 flowers, this is all flowers, but I have only how many roses? 1 2 3 4. So what I will do, I will subtract. So if you have 7 and you subtract 4, the answer will be 3. 3 are not roses. These 3 are not roses. Now here also we use subtraction when we subtract a number from itself. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. No, this point you should know by heart. Now if I subtract any number from itself, so what is the answer? 0. يعني if I subtract 15 minus 15 0, 34 minus 34 0, 100 minus 100 0. So if I subtract any number from itself, the answer will be 0. And also here, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. When we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. How? If I subtract 0 from 15, so the answer will be 15, same number. If I subtract 0 from 35, the number will be same number. Okay? Right. Now here this subtract, regrouping if necessary. Here 13 minus 7. So here if I want subtract 7 from 3, so I cannot. So I will borrow 1 from 1. So this 1 becomes 0. And this 3 become 13. Now count from 6 to 13. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 6. Now here 28 minus 14. So here if I want subtract 4 from 8, yes I can, because 4 is smaller than 8. So I take 4 from 8, it will be 4. Now I can subtract 1 from 2, it will be 1. Now here if I want subtract 3 from 2, I cannot, because 2 is smaller than 3. So I will subtract 1 from this 3. This 3 becomes 2, and this 2 becomes 12. Now count from 3 to 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 means 9. If you count from 3 to 12, it will be 9. Now here 1, I subtract 1 from 2, it will be 1. Now here if I have 3 digits, here you know we take it, if when you subtract a number from itself, it is always 0. And when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. So here if we subtract 0 minus 4, it is 4. Here we can subtract 2 from 3, it will be 1. 1 we subtracted from 5, it will be 4. This is our lesson for today, my dear, and this is the homework for today. You complete E, F, G, H, and don't forget to solve this also in your book. Okay? And inshallah you will show me your homework after you finish. Thank you, my dear, and goodbye. See you tomorrow, inshallah.